Hello everyone, today, I am going to guide you through a simple process to adjust your monitor's refresh rate on a Windows 11 system. Let's jump right in and get started. Firstly, to access the display settings, simply right-click anywhere on your desktop. A menu will pop up, and from there, click on the Display Settings option. This action will open up a new window dedicated to display configurations. Within this window, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Advanced Display. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various details about your display, including the current refresh rate. For instance, you might see a value like 60 Hz, which indicates the refresh rate of your monitor. If you're using multiple displays, you'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to select and view the refresh rate for each connected monitor individually. This feature is particularly useful for those with dual or extended monitor setups. Moreover, if your monitor supports different refresh rates, you can explore additional options by clicking on the drop-down menu. This will display a list of all supported refresh rates, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that best suits your needs or preferences. And there you have it. That's how you can easily check and adjust the display refresh rate on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.